They boarded the train in 1937 and vanished without a trace. On September 12, 1937, 15 passengers boarded the Midnight Express from Berlin to Warsaw. The train arrived, but the car was empty. Authorities checked every carriage, every compartment. No luggage, no bodies, no clues. Witnesses saw the passengers board, then nothing. The case remains unsolved to this day. What happened on that train in 1937? The world may never know.